sa category na nag-examan mo or in-applyan mo during the examination period. So meaning to say, it's either any, it's either the paper and pencil test, it's either the computerized examinations at yung rating mo, pangalawang requirement dito is yung rating mo should be a minimum of 70. Meaning to say, pag 70 and lower yan, hindi ka na considered sa CSE PR. Hindi ka na considered sa reference rating. The other one is, ito na, must have a very satisfactory performance rating or its equivalent for the previous two rating periods before preceding the dates of filing for the grant of the CSEPR. Ito na yung pangatlong prerequisite or the pangatlong requirement, kailangan na meron kang very satisfactory rating during the two preceding rating period. Okay? And the last one, ito naman ang isang importante, must file the application of CSEPR using the appropriate form with complete requirements within 6 months from the date of release of the results of the civil service examination taken. So meaning to say, pasado ka na sa tatlo, you are given 6 months after the release. So ang expectation natin dito is after May 2 because that is the announced date of release ng results ng exam for the March 2, 2025 Civil Service Examination. So, you count the period within starting in May 2 or the release of the results.